Who's a good boy? Did you stay up on that boozing, Milo? Good God, Milo. Come on. Hey, babe, the dog was boozing again last night. What are we gonna do?
Just let him be.
You know he can't go on like this.
He's 21 years old. It's just a phase.
He's going to throw his life away.
It's just a phase.
What's up, guys? So before I go any further, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So last night I was in a little bit of a dispute. I couldn't decide whether I wanted to go to Panther Creek Falls or Toccoa Falls because it had been raining all week and I knew that the waterfalls were going to be gushing really hard. And so I did a little bit of research and found out that those two waterfalls are 18 minutes from each other. So we're going to see both today. Alright guys, so right off the bat, I have a couple useful tips for you guys. These are two state parks that I've actually never been to before, unlike some of the other ones that I've reviewed in the past. So our plan for the day is we decided to wake up super early because we're going to see both of these waterfalls. And to get to Panther Creek Falls is a 9-mile hike. So we're not going to do that one first. I did a little bit of research and couldn't really find a set time that Toccoa Falls opens. And guess what? We found out that it's only a 3-minute walk from the parking lot. And these two parks are 18 minutes away from each other. So why wouldn't we go see both, you know? So we are going to Toccoa Falls first because when you get out of your car, apparently you only walk 3 minutes to this really beautiful waterfall. So we're driving there right now to go do that. Hopefully the gates are open and we can get in. If not, what we're gonna do is go to Panther Creek Falls and then go see Toccoa Falls later in the day. Okay guys, so we went to Toccoa Falls and we made it to the entrance gate, and the security lady turned us away and she said that the park doesn't open until 10:30 a.m. So we're gonna have to go to Panther Creek Falls and do our 9-mile hike there before we go to Toccoa Falls. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so we ran into a little issue this morning, but it's okay, we're improvising. We are currently in the parking lot of Panther Creek Falls. It's really peaceful out here. You can hear, it's really quiet and you can just hear the sound of running water in the background. The birds are chirping. It's early on a Saturday morning. My hair looks really dumb and we're ready to go. We saw some people in the parking lot with waterproof backpacks. I'm curious to see if we run into any issues, so let's go.
And I'm dying to tell you, you blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet, I've realized. And I'm dying to tell you,
up, guys? Boom, we made it. Wow. Awesome. So, it was about a 4.5 mile hike here. The trail was really beautiful. Thankfully, we saw that copperhead, so that was a little bit scary. But I can tell you what, I've seen Panther Falls in photos before. It is way bigger in person. This is beautiful. And this is a big swimming area right here. I'm not gonna go swimming today, I don't think. But man, it is enormous.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
Okay guys, we are heading back to the car. We are now, when we get back, we have 4.5 miles to get back to the car. We are going to head over to Toccoa Falls and show you guys around that area. So hopefully they let us in this time. Okie dokie guys. So as you remember from earlier, the parking lot was completely empty. Now we are packed to the rim. And so I want to give you guys a quick review of what I personally thought of that trail. Despite the dangerous animal that we ran into, it was really awesome. I really liked that trail a lot. I would probably give it like a 7.5 out of 10. And I'm pretty picky on my rating, so I would say that that's really good. I definitely would come back. If you decide to come here, I definitely would bring things to go ahead and hang out by the waterfall and just have a chill day down there. The hike is 9 miles, so it's really strenuous. And it started to get hot out here around afternoon, so that's one thing to take into consideration as well. You definitely, when you get down there by the waterfall, want to go ahead and just, you know, take a dip and cool off. We didn't do that because we're kind of on a time crunch and we still have to go to Toccoa Falls, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're in the Toccoa Falls parking lot and we stopped some people and asked them how we get there, and it's actually on a campus. It's Toccoa Falls College, I believe, and so we have to cut through a building to get back to the waterfall, so this should be pretty interesting.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, now we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
Wow, this waterfall is like dreamy big. Spectacular. All right, guys. Fortunately enough for you, I'm a rain or shine type of guy. So that is dreamy. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this with the landscape before, where you see something and it kind of makes you feel like you're in a Disney movie. I kind of had that feeling when I was in Yosemite and Toccoa National Park. This is kind of like that. This waterfall is enormous. I'm not joking. If you visit Georgia or live in Georgia, come see this waterfall. It is impressive. Good Lord. And I've seen pictures of people in here swimming before, but I don't think we're gonna do that today due to weather conditions. So those were our waterfalls for the day, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and head back to the car. And we hope you guys really enjoyed visiting these two parks with us. This has been a pretty spectacular day. Ran into some adversity and, you know, we capitalized. So that is all that matters. Dreamy. All right, guys. See you back at the car. All right, guys. So that wraps up our video for the day. We hope you guys enjoyed. Let me tell you, I would love to come back to either one of those waterfalls, and that says a lot because I've been places before where, you know, I just simply don't want to return to, and these places that I visited today are not on that list. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit us with the like. We have to go talk to Milo about his boozing problem. So until next time.